Good morning students, welcome back to online class, history class today. Unit 1 I am teaching. So Unit 1 which lesson you know very well? Outbreak of World War I and its aftermath. Okay? Children, so already we learned this lesson that part causes for the World War I, causes over as well as course also over. Is it? Causes as well as course already we learned. Is it children? So today which one we are going to learn in the sense results of the war. Results. Okay, so results of the First World War we are going to learn. Okay, under the results what are the points are given? I am going to explain today. So that is the essay answer. Okay, please check carefully this video. Okay, the C part. Yes, the C part what is given in the sense. The armistice in the sense what is that, an agreement. Okay, after the completion of the World War I, an agreement was made. Okay, so moreover, the Treaty of Versailles was signed. It was a humiliating treaty of Germany. Okay, because it has consisted harsh terms were there. Okay, it has consisted harsh terms were there. That's what it was, a humiliating treaty like that they are telling. Okay. So in this para, what are the things are given, an armistice, just before I told the meaning. Yes, I said the meaning, children. Yes, what is the meaning of that in the sense, that armistice in the sense agreement like that I said. Agreement, armistice in the sense agreement. Yes. So Germany ultimately surrendered. So which year it was surrendered in the sense? 1918 it was surrendered. Which month it was surrendered? November month it was surrendered to the Allies. Yes, the armistice in the sense an agreement. Yes, an agreement took effort from 11th November. Yes, so which day onwards it was effected in the sense 11th November 1918 onwards the agreement, an agreement was effect. Okay, was effect. The next what is given in the sense, on the basis of the Treaty of Versailles, Germany was forced to accept the harsh terms by the political situation at home. What is the meaning in the sense? Germany need to accept the harsh terms of the Treaty of Versailles. At the same time, one of the person in the sense, the ruler of Germany that time, during the time of the First World War, Kaiser William II was the ruler of Germany. That person, what he did in the sense, he was abdicated. What is meant by abdicated, children? Yes, what is meant by abdicated? Abdicated in the sense he renounced his throne. Yes, he renounced his throne. What is meant by renounced in the sense he give up. Okay, he give up his post. So that is the meaning of abdication. Students, once again I am telling children, an armistice, what is the meaning in the sense? An agreement. Okay, after the completion of the First World War, they were signed the treaty. Okay, so what was the name of the treaty in the sense? Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles. Okay, Treaty of Versailles. It was signed by the Allies as well as the Germany. Okay, so Germany, how it was considered in the sense? It was a harsh treaty. It was a humiliating one like that. It was considered. Okay, so who considered? Germany was considered. So Germany, was accepted, was forced to accept the harsh terms of the Treaty of Versailles. So at the same time in Germany, what happened in the sense? German ruler as Kaiser William II was abdicated. Abdicated in the sense he renounced his throne. Otherwise he give up his throne. That is the meaning. Okay, so Kaiser William II. So you can check once. Okay, that personality photo here I mentioned. See Kaiser William II. This personality, the ruler of Germany during the time of the World War I. Okay, so this person only was abdicated. Otherwise he give up his throne. Okay, so that's the thing. The next one, what is given, Paris Peace Conference. Paris Peace Conference. What is that in the sense? Paris Peace Conference, it was opened in Paris. Okay, it was opened in Paris in January 1919. In January 1919, Paris Peace Conference, which year it was opened? On January 1919, where it was opened in the sense in Paris. Paris, you know very well, that is the capital of France. Okay, so 2 months after they were signed the armistice. What is the meaning of armistice? An agreement. Okay, so Who are the members participated? Yes, the presidents. Okay, the presidents, presidents as well as prime ministers of many countries, they were involved. It's three personalities, they were very important. So that's what they were given in your book. Woodrow Wilson of USA. Yes, Woodrow Wilson of USA. Woodrow Wilson of USA, that person, photo, this man, this man is the Woodrow Wilson of USA. He was a he was the president of United States of America during the time of the First World War. So this personality also joined in the Paris Peace Conference. The next personality, Lloyd George of Britain. Okay, this man, Lloyd George of Britain is Lloyd George of Britain. So this personality also, he was the Prime Minister of Britain during the time of the First World War. Okay, he was the Prime Minister of Britain. Otherwise, he was the Prime Minister of England during the time of the First World War. He also involved, otherwise he also participated in the Paris Peace Conference, which year it was conducted? 1919 in Paris. Okay, the next personality, one more personality, this person, he was the Prime Minister of France, Clement. Okay, how to pronounce, Clement of France. Okay, Clement of France, Clement of France. This personality also involved in that meeting. Okay, in the meeting in the sense Paris Peace Conference. Okay, so these personalities, they were played very important role, okay, in the Paris Peace Conference. This is the Paris Peace Conference. Many countries, prime ministers as well as the presidents were involved to sign the Paris Peace Conference. Okay, in the Paris Peace Conference only, which treaty was signed in the sense, which treaty was signed? Yes, the Treaty of Versailles was signed. Yes, Treaty of Versailles was signed. These personalities, they were played very important role. Just before I showed that one, that picture is given. Yes, that picture I showed now. Then Woodrow Wilson of United States of America. See, Woodrow Wilson of United States of America. Lloyd George of Britain. Yes, Prime Minister of England. This person, President of United States of America. Woodrow Wilson. Lloyd George, Prime Minister of England. And Clement. Yes, Clement, he was the Prime Minister of France. Okay, so those personalities, they were involved in the Paris Peace Conference. They were played very important role in the deliberations. What is meant by deliberation? In the sense, discussion. Deliberation, what is the meaning? Discussion. Okay, so in the discussion, whoever played very important role? The three personalities. Yes, who are the three personalities? Just before I said, Woodrow Wilson of America. Yes, Lloyd George of Britain and Clement of France. Okay, so these three personalities, they were played very important role in the deliberations. What is meant by deliberations? Deliberation, what is the meaning? Discussion. Okay, deliberation, what is the meaning, children? Discussion. So under that Paris Peace Conference, you can check it in your photo, that book, page number 8 it is given, children. Page number 8 it is given, Paris Peace Conference. Faced with the threat of a renewed war, the German government was forced to agree to the terms of the Treaty of Versailles. So which month, 28 June 1919, 28 June 1919, the Paris Peace Treaty was signed in the Hall of Mirrors at Versailles. 28th June, what was the famous event? What was the event, Yes, 28th June, what was the famous event, that Francis D. Austrian Crown Prince of Francis D. Ferdinand was assassinated by a Serbian lord on 28th June, 1914. That's what, Austria sent an ultimatum to Serbia. Okay, the same date. Okay, the same date, year only different. Is it? Yes, after 4 years, they were signed the peace treaty. Yes, at Hall of Mirrors at Versailles. Okay, so this much only. The next, what is given in the sense, children? Yes, next what is given, then provisions of the treaty. You can check your book. So this is the photo. This is the Versailles. Okay, so Hall of Mirrors, here only they were signed the Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles, it was considered as the humiliating treaty. Yes, Germany, was punished by the Allies. Okay, children. Yes. So, the next one. What is given, in your book, you can check it. Page number 8, it is given provisions of the treaty. What are the provisions are there? The Treaty of Versailles, what are the points are there? Okay, nearly 10 points are given. This is very important. Essay answer. Okay, if you are listening, you can easily write without learning. Yes, without learning, children, you can write. Listen carefully. The first point, what is given, Germany was found guilty. Yes, it was found guilty because it was responsible for the starting of war. Yes, Germany only responsible. Germany was responsible for the starting of war. So that's what it was found guilty. Okay, and therefore German has to pay the war reparations. What is mean by war reparation in the sense? The war reparation in the sense, war indemnity. War indemnity. What is mean by war indemnity? Yes, defeated nations in each and every battle, after the completion of the battle, otherwise after the completion of the war, each and every nations, defeated nations, each and every defeated nations, they must pay some amount to the victorious nation. So that is called as reparations. Okay, reparations. Okay, reparations for the losses suffered. So all the central powers were directed to pay the war indemnity. You know very well, I think so. Is it Austria, Hungary, Turkey, those countries? Is it Austria, and what are the other countries are there? Germany, Austria, Hungary, and Bulgaria. Those countries, they were in the side of the central powers. So that's what, they must pay the war reparations. They must pay the war reparations. So they were compelled. To pay the war indemnity that is given. So once again I am telling children, listen. Germany was found guilty of starting the war. Germany was found guilty of starting the war. Okay, so which war it was started? Yes, First World War started. First World War started in the year 1914. Who was responsible in this sense? Germany only responsible, and therefore, yes, Germany has to pay the reparations. The reparations in the sense, war reparation in the sense, what is the meaning? War indemnity. Yes, so for example, defeated nations, they must pay they must save some amount. Okay, some amount to whom? Yes, the victorious nations. So that's the meaning, children. The next one, all the central powers were directed to pay the war indemnity. And not only Germany, yes, whomever participated along with Germany, whomever involved along with Germany. So those countries also, they must pay the war indemnity. So first point over. Okay, second point, what is given in your book, the German army was to be reduced. In your book it is given clearly, was to be limited like that. I am telling German army was to be reduced. Totally it was reduced to 1 lakh men. Okay, so only 1 lakh men was there. Okay, in the German army. Moreover, small navy was allowed. Instead of army, a small navy was allowed. This is the second point. Second point, once again I am telling children, the German army was to be reduced. Otherwise was to be limited. German army was to be limited to 1 lakh men. 1 lakh men. A small navy was allowed. Okay, so that is the second point. Third one, what is given? Union of Austria and Germany was forbidden. Forbidden in the sense, we can tell banned, stopped. Hereafter they should not join with each other. They should not join Austria and Germany. So that is one of the provisions of the Treaty of Versailles. Austria and Germany was forbidden. The union, yes, they should not join in that. Okay, they should not join with each other. Austria and Germany. They should not join with each other. So okay, so that was forbidden. Forbidden in the sense, what is the meaning? Banned. B-A-N-N-E-D. B-A-N-N-E-D. Banned we can tell, otherwise stopped also we can tell. Okay, children. So third one over. Then fourth one, what is given? All German colonies became mandated territories under the League of Nations. All the German colonies. Okay, German colonies, everything, who captured? Allies, allies were captured. Is it? Now it was under the control of League of Nations, like that they are telling. What is the meaning of mandated territories? What is the meaning of mandated territories? I am telling children. An authorization granted by the League of Nations to a member nation to govern a former German or Turkish colony. So now, the German colonies became under the leadership of whom? Became under the leadership of League of Nations. League of Nations, what is that in the sense? Now, first day class I told, I think so. The League of Nations in the sense, January 20, 1920, it was formed in order to create, otherwise in order to bring peace and security in the world. Otherwise, we can tell after the completion of the World War, the League of Nations was established in order to bring peace and security. So, which date in the sense? January 20, 1920. So, now, German colonies became the territories under the League of Nations. Yes. Then fifth one, what is given, the Germany, was forced. You see it, this one, already, that Brest-Litovsk Treaty. The last class I told Russia. Yes, in Russia, internal revolution was broke out. That's what, Russia left from the war. So before, leaving from the war, it signed with the treaty. Yes, Brest-Litovsk with Germany. So that treaty as well as, Bucharest Treaty. Yes, the Treaty of Bucharest with Bulgaria. Yes, with Bulgaria it was signed in Germany. So these treaties, everything, revoked. What is mean by revoke? Revoke in the sense cancelled. Revoke in the sense, what is the meaning? Cancelled. Revoke in the sense, what is the meaning, children? Cancelled. So what are the treaties were cancelled? Brest-Litovsk Treaty, yes, as well as Treaty of Bucharest. Treaty of Bucharest with Bulgaria. So those treaties and all were cancelled. Okay, so the 5 points over, children. The next 6th point I am telling, Alsace and Lorraine was returned to France. What is the meaning? What is that? Already I told in the first day class itself, I told 1871 Franco-Prussian War was happened. So that time, the France got defeat from the hands of Germany. So that's what, Alsace and Lorraine, it lost Alsace and Lorraine to Germany. Now again it's getting back. Okay, Alsace and Lorraine were returned to France. Okay, so France was getting Alsace and Lorraine from Germany. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, 7th one, what is given, the former East Russian territories of Finland. Yes, so those territories, Russian territories were, got independence. Okay, what are the territories in the sense? Estonia. Yes, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania and Finland. Yes, so those territories got independence. Okay, easily they are given in this book, children. Yes, compare the last year book. It's very easy. Okay, so little changes are there. Anyway, this book, it's considered as the easiest one. Yes, the Finland. Yes, what are the Russian territories? Finland, Estonia, Latvia and Lithuania. Yes, these states, these countries, got independence. Then 8th one, what is given? Northern Schleswig. Yes, who got Northern Schleswig in the sense? Denmark. Okay, Denmark, got Northern Schleswig. At the same time, small districts, who got Belgium got small districts. Okay, then Poland was recreated. Once again, it was, it was made. Yes, recreated. Yes. The last one, the Rhineland was to be occupied by the Allies. Okay, Rhineland, German place. Okay, so here only militarization in the sense, that German people in German government, they were increased the weapons rate. Okay, increased the weapons rate. Militarization was happen in the place of Rhineland. In the place of Rhineland, it is located in Germany. Okay, Rhineland was to be occupied by the Allies. So the area on the east bank of the Rhine, was to be, eastern part of the Rhineland was to be demilitarized. Just before I told militarization, opposite only demilitarization. Okay, totally, German army, yes, German weapons, everything, they were reduced. Allies, were reduced. So that's the thing, children. Yes, once again, the Alsace and Lorraine was returned to France. Then Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Finland. So those people, they got independence. Okay, then Schleswig. Who got Schleswig? Denmark got Schleswig. At the same time, Belgium, small districts and all to Belgium. The 9th one, Poland was recreated. Okay, once again it was created. The next one, the last one, Rhineland was occupied by the Allies. Rhineland, it's very famous place, which is located in Germany. Okay, for the militarization purpose, they were used to this one. But, now, totally their army was reduced, demilitarization. Okay, Rhineland, is totally demilitarized by the Allies. Okay, so now I am going to tell children several treaties. Separate treaties also was signed. Okay, with the central powers. So what are the treaties were signed in your book? It is given Severus Treaty alone. It is given children. You can check it. This one. These are the treaties. Okay, these are the treaties. What are the treaties? Treaty of Severus with Turkey. Students, please listen. This one, it's not mentioned in your book. Okay, Treaty of Severus. Treaty of Severus, with whom they were signed in the sense with the Turkey. Allied powers, they were signed treaty with the other central powers also. Okay, so with Germany, they were signed the Treaty of Versailles. So with Turkey, which treaty was signed in the sense? Treaty of Severus. With Bulgaria, which treaty was signed? Treaty of Neuilly. Yes, with Austria, which treaty they were signed? Treaty of Germine. Treaty of Germine. Yes, the last one, Treaty of Trianon was signed with the Hungary. Yes, with the Hungary. So those treaties also were signed by the Allies with the central powers. With the central powers. The next what is given? Yes, next what is given in the sense, in your book clearly it is given, I think so. Students, page number 8 I am teaching. Page number 8 you can check it. This provisions fully you can mark it, children. Provisions, you can mark it. 6 to answer. This is a essay answer. Okay. Yes, it's very, very important answer. The next, this is very important, children. Treaty of Severus with the Turkey. Treaty of Neuilly with the Bulgaria. Treaty of Germine with Austria. Treaty of Hungary. Yes, Treaty of Hungary. Treaty of Trianon with the Hungary. The next what is given, fallout. Fallout of the First World War. Fallout of the First World War. Here what is given, the First World War left a deep impact. Some effects are there. Okay. After the completion of the World War. That World War, it left a deep impact. It left a what was the legacy? Yes, it was a legacy. Okay, a legacy in the sense what it was left. Okay, so deep impact on European society and politics. Some changes happened. Okay, some changes, yes, not good changes, that worst changes were happened. 8 million people in this war, 8 million people had died within 4 years. Okay, worst incident, see, through conscription in the sense army. Okay, and through air raids with the help of the aeroplanes, they used to throw the bombs on the cities, on the industries, on the factories. Okay, the war had involved and affected far more of the population than in the past. Nearly 8 million people had died in 4 years. Okay, within 4 years, 8 million people died, as well as, more than, twice as many were wounded. The majority of the people, were wounded. Nearly 20 million people, like that in one video I saw. Nearly 20 million people, they were, wounded. Many were, crippled. Okay, many were, they couldn't walk even, such a condition. Okay, so what was the outcome? Yes, moreover, millions more had succumbed. Millions more had died to the worldwide influenza. Like coronavirus, they were affected by the fever. Okay, so worldwide influenza of 1918. So what was the outcome? Okay, what was the outcome? What was the result? What was the results of the World War? Millions of people, nearly 20 million people, 20 million of them, wounded, like that they are telling. 8 million people, they were died, like that they are telling. Within 4 years, what was the outcome in the sense? There was an imbalance between the sexes. Okay, there was an imbalance between the sexes. A shortage of men. Okay, so many people, they were died in the battlefield itself. So, shortage of men. Soldiers came to be placed above civilians. So what is the meaning? The ratio of soldiers were increased. Compare the civilians. Compare the civilians. The civilians in the sense, what is the meaning here? Civilians in the sense, what is that? Public. Okay, so that is the meaning. Common people, public. Okay, so that's the thing, children. The next one, what is given, the war. Okay, the war and its aftermath. Okay, aftermath in the sense, very well, results. Okay, aftermath in the sense, what is the meaning? results of the war. Results turned out to be a stirring period of history. Okay, such a stunning period. Yes, that's the most striking feature. Yes, what was the most striking feature was that Russia emerged as a great power. How it became called, USSR. USSR, otherwise Union of Socialist and Soviet Republic. Like that, they were started to call Russia. Okay, how Union of Socialist and Soviet Republic. Union of Socialist and Soviet Republic, as it was called. Okay, children. Yes, then that's the most striking feature. Moreover, America. Yes, when America entered into the war, it was a debtor country. Yes, then after the Lusitania incident, 1917. Yes, 1917, it was entered, it was entered into the war. Is it? It was entered into the war. Children. Yes. So that time it was a debtor country. So here it is given. See, America entered the war as a debtor country, but it emerged as the money lender to the world after the aftermath. Otherwise, after the results of the war. After the results of the war. Yes, after the completion of the war, it was a money lender country. Another outstanding event, what is that in the sense? Awakening of the colonies is very, very important because we are under the control of the Britain. Yes, we are under the control of the Britain. Yes, we are one of the colony. India was one of the colony of Britain. Yes, another outstanding event of this period was the awakening of the colonies and their inspired attempts to gain freedom. So like other countries, we too have to get the freedom from European country, from Britain, like that. Each and every colony's people started to think. Okay, so that is given. Okay, the next, what is given in the sense? The Turkey. Yes, in Turkey, what happened in the sense? Turkey, who was the ruler? Mustafa Kemal Pasha. Okay, Mustafa Kemal Pasha. Yes, that person, he was a remarkable, he played very important role, otherwise a remarkable role. Yes, a remarkable role for Turkey's rebirth as a nation. Okay, he was responsible for the modernization of Turkey. One word answer, children. Mustafa Kemal Pasha. He was, he was modernized Turkey. Otherwise, he was the father of Turkey. Modernization of Turkey. Yes, he changed it out of all recognition. This is the 2-mark answer, children. Listen carefully. Mustafa Kemal Pasha, he played very important role. Okay, otherwise a remarkable role for Turkish rebirth as a nation. Kemal Pasha modernized Turkey. Yes, he introduced so many reforms. Okay, reforms. He introduced so many reforms. Through that his reforms, he modernized Turkey, like that. They are telling the next, what is given, impact on India. Yes, impact on India. Yes, what is given under that para? It's the same page only. Children, page number 8. You can watch it, children. Page number 8. Impact on India. Yes, impact on India. What is given? The First World War had a significant impact on India. Okay, so what was that in the sense that here, what happened, actually, without the consultation of the Congress party. Okay, so that time Congress party, was ruled over India. Yes, in India. Then without the consultation of the Congress party, the British people dragged Indians into the World War. Okay, dragged Indians. Moreover, what they said in the sense, after the completion of the World War, you will get the independence. With that promise, that they were encouraged. Okay, who were encouraged? Indians were encouraged by the British people. Okay, so that's what, these people, everyone, they were involved in the war. Okay, so that only they are given here. After the World War, the soldiers came back with the new ideas. Okay, the soldiers, came back with the new ideas which had an impact on the Indian society. So with the new ideas, with the new, that confident, they came back to India. Okay, so India contributed. How much they were contributed? Yes, we are, we led a, our forefathers, pioneers, they led a very poor life. Okay, poor life. Even though the Indian government, how much they were spent for this First World War, India contributed, in your book it is given children, contributed, India contributed, India contributed 230 million pound in cash, 230 million pound in cash, and over 125 million pound in loans towards war expenses. Towards war expenses, India, spent much amount. India also sent war materials to the value of 250 million pound. Yes. So totally you can calculate it. Yes, we people, Indians, we were suffered. Yes, but Indian government, the British government, that time, we, the British government only ruled over India. Is it the British government, how much they were spent, see? So this caused enormous economic distress. So we people paid, our forefathers, they were paid taxes, the tax amount, everything they were sent for the war purposes. Is it? So this caused enormous economic distresses. Enormous economic distress in the sense, what is that? Economic problem. So that's the thing, children. There were grain riots. What is meant by grain riots? Grain in the sense, is it for rice, for wheat, we people, suffered a lot. Yes, we, so that, the poor people looted the shops. Yes, looted the shops towards the end of the war, towards the end of the World War. India too suffered under the worldwide epidemic diseases. Okay, worldwide epidemic of influenza in the sense like coronavirus, fever. Okay, so the people, the Indians, they were suffered a lot like other people. Okay, like other countries. Okay, the war conditions led to the rise of Home Rule movement in India. What is that in the sense, children? During then after the completion of the World War. Yes, then during the First World War time, as well as after the completion of the World War, here in India, yes, home rule movement was started. Yes, home rule movement was started in the sense, it was started by Mrs. Annie Besant. Yes, it was started by Mrs. Annie Besant. Okay, so in the year 1916, the home rule movement, which year it was started in the sense, 1916 it was started in India, okay, by Mrs. Annie Besant. Okay, so India and Indians, okay, so that time, the Congress people, okay, so during the time of the World War, the Congress was reunited. Once again, it was united. Why they are telling in the sense, so they were splitted into two. Okay, the Congress people, they had some problem. That's what, they were splitted into two, extremists as well as moderates like that. Okay, in 1907 itself, they were splitted into two. But in the year, 1916-17, they were reunited. The Congress party was reunited during the time of the war that they are telling. Okay, so the next what is given, the Indians, okay, India as well as the Indians had taken an active part in the war. Yes, why they were actively took part in the sense, finally we will get the independence. Yes, we will get the reward like that. They were thought. Okay, moreover Britain, see here, believing that Britain would reward India's loyalty like that, they were thought. Yes, that was a wrong calculation. Is it? So, but only the disappointment was in store. Okay, disappointment. Yes, everyone, disappointed because after the completion of the World War, the world fully, they were suffered. Is it? Many of them crippled, many of them wounded. 8 million people, they were died. Is it? Many of them lost their lives even. Is it? Yeah, poverty. So there was a pathetic situation in whole world. Okay, so but only disappointment was in store. Thus the war had multiple effects on Indian society, economy and politics. Yes, so it reflected that war, reflected on Indian society, economy and politics. Okay, so and politics. So this much only, children. Yes. So this one, results of the war, it's very, very important, children. You can check it, everything. Once you read it, Okay, the results of the war, it's very, very important provisions of the treaty. 10 points only. Okay, 10 points only. You can easily understand everything when you are reading. 10 times when you are reading, you can easily understand. Okay, children. Yes? Yes, so you can, once you read and then you can understand that answers. Okay, if you have the doubt, you can ask me. Okay, children. Yes? Children, page number 14, check it. Page number 14, we can mark the question answers. Once again, I am telling children, the first one I am telling, the first one, choose the best answer, first one. Option A is the correct answer. Second one, B is the correct answer, Japan is the correct answer. Third one, Lenin is the correct answer, Lenin. Fourth one, trench warfare is the correct answer. Trench warfare, this much only I taught. So that's what I am stopping here. Next one students, fill in the blanks area. Fill in the blanks. First question, 1894. Second one children, Treaty of London is the correct answer. Treaty of London. Treaty of London is the correct answer. Treaty of London. Third one, 1902. Third one, 1902. Fourth one, Macedonia. 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 Okay. The next one, fifth one, Russians. Russia, like that you can write. Fifth one, Russia, RUSSIA, Russia. Yes. Seventh one, today I taught, Das as the Prime Minister represented France in Paris Peace Conference. Clemenceau. Clemenceau is the correct pronunciation, children. CLEMENCE. Clemenceau. Okay, Clemenceau is the correct answer. Then assertion answer here, correct statement answer. The first one is D answer is the correct answer. D. Yes, D is the correct answer. Next assertion, B is the correct answer. B. Second one, B is the correct answer. Roman letter 3 I am telling. Third one, A is the correct answer. Next one, match the following. Treaty of Brest-Litovsk, you know very well. Russia with Germany, 1. Yes, Russia with Germany. Jingoism, England. Kamal Basha, Turkey. Emden, Madras. Call of Mirrors, Versailles. So 5 also over. Match the following, everything over, children. The next one, name the countries in the Triple Entente. Already marked Britain, France and Russia. Then 3 forms of, militant, 3 military forms of nationalism in Europe. Page number 4, it is given like that I told. Is it? Trench warfare, blue color box, page number 6, it is given like that I said. This one, page number 4. This one, page number 6. Yes. Mustafa Kamal Basha role from where to where in the sense. Page number 8. Page number 8. Fallout of First World War para. This one. 5 I am telling, children. Roman letter 5 I am telling. Fallout, page number 8, fallout of the First World War para, the last para, 4 lines only, easy answer. Okay, yes, so this much only. The next one, essay part children. Essay part you can check it. Roman letter 6, you can mark it already. Causes of the First World War we marked. Of the First World War you marked. I told you, you can read 10 times. What are the points you can have the ability to learn that points and all you can write under the causes, like that I said. Okay. Second one, today I taught Versailles treaty provisions, page number 8. Page number 8, clearly the heading is given, provisions of the treaty, the 10 points alone enough. 6-2. Okay children, this much only. The next class we can meet. That time I will teach the Russian Revolution. That is the third essay. Okay, thank you.